Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Outlook account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Security section in the menu. Click on it to access your security settings. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Look for the option labeled two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Follow the prompts to turn on two-step verification. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. Step 5. Set up your authentication method. Choose your preferred method for receiving verification codes such as an authentication app, text message, or email. Follow the instructions to complete the setup. Enabling two-factor authentication is a simple yet effective way to enhance the security of your Outlook account. Make sure to keep your recovery options updated for future access.